Are you ready to take your marketing skills to the next level?
Welcome to the GoLogica Digital Marketing Masters Program, a comprehensive path to mastering the art of digital marketing. Digital marketing is a rapidly evolving industry, growing at an impressive rate. From social media to search engine optimization, businesses are in constant need of skilled professionals to help them thrive online. And with our Digital Marketing Masters program, you'll be fully equipped to meet this demand. Our program is designed to give you practical experience in all aspects of digital marketing. You'll dive deep into SEO, learn the ins and outs of social media marketing, explore the power of paid advertising, and much more. With each module, you'll build skills that can be directly applied to real-world marketing challenges. What makes our program stand out? You'll earn an industry-recognized certification that's respected worldwide. You'll also work on hands-on projects, gain insights from real-world case studies, and learn from industry experts with years of experience. Upon completion, you'll open doors to a wide range of career opportunities. Whether you want to become a digital marketing manager, SEO specialist, or social media strategist, this program will help you achieve your career goals in today's competitive landscape. Here's an overview of the most prominent digital marketing roles in the present. Don't just take our word for it. Thousands of professionals have transformed their careers with the GoLogica Digital Marketing Program. Join a community of successful marketers and take the next step toward a rewarding career.